All right, so when you're in Mrs. Hoban's class or any other class for that matter, and you need help, you're struggling, you're behind, you're not understanding it, what do? Okay? You're going to need help. Here are my suggestions. Bless you. Number 1, you're going to attend math tutorial. All right? At Grossmont High School, math tutorial is free. Okay? Free, free, free. We love 4-letter F words, right? Free, tutorial is on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So that would be today. Today's Thursday. You can go today to room 775. There's a credentialed math teacher in there. And there are usually 2 to 3 calculus students who will walk around and help you. Okay? If you're behind on your work and you just need to get caught up, go sit in there and work on it. When you get stuck, raise your hand. All right? Suggestion number 2. You're going to go to YouTube. You are going to search whatever title or topic I give you for that section, whatever it is you're struggling on. Okay? There are lots of math teachers, and they record their lessons just like I do, and you can search the same title or topic, and they will come up. You can also go to my playlists. I will have them organized by chapter for my geometry class and for my algebra class, and you will just select the one that we're on. Okay? Suggestion number 3 is that you go to Khan Academy. Khan Academy is a free service that is sponsored by the Bill Gates Foundation, and there are amazing lessons. 1 second. Academy, you just go there, you search the title, you search the topic. It's not only math, there's history, science, English, all sorts of topics with videos and questions that are similar to what you'll be seeing in my class. Suggestion number 4 is that you get help during class. So if you have a really smart friend, you can ask your friend. They can probably tell you how to do something. You can also ask me. I will be walking around seeing if you need help, available to assist you in whatever you need. Suggestion number 5 is for you to hire a tutor. This one costs money, right? So your parents are going to have to pay for that versus using the free tutorial. Some people can't do it because of commitment. They have to go to work, whatever. You know, if you can't do that, then hire a tutor or make really good friends with a calculus student who might do it for really cheap or free if you're nice to them. Right? Suggestion number 6 is to use what I call cheaters. Okay? So there are things out in this world called photo math, and there's also this other thing out there called Slater. Okay? So photo math can be used in a learning way, or it can be used as a cheater way. Okay? It's not as helpful in geometry as it is in Algebra 1 or Algebra 2, but it can be helpful. Basically, you take a picture of the problem, and it'll give you the answer, and then you click on a button, and it'll open up the problem, right? So I know the question, and I know the answer. What I'm concerned about is what happens in between. What are the steps that it takes you to get from the question to the answer, okay? So if you're using photo math, you need to copy down all those steps. You may use it once or twice on an assignment, but if you're using it on every single question, you're not going to be very successful on the test, and you probably need help more than just using photo math, okay? Because you can't obviously use it on a test. I had someone try that last year, and it did not go well for them, okay? So you also can't use Slater. Slater is basically just, it'll have your book on there, and it'll have all the answers, and you know, I already know the questions. I already know the answers. I'm not looking for the answer. I'm looking for what's in between. Okay? Any questions